Kabupaten Malang. Perangkat-perangkat selamat berhibur bersama keluarga besar Ageng Saputro. Kita sangatkan dipun pandegani kalian Pemurunianto dan Kicil saking Lalatan Dusun Pakat Purworejo Ngatan Jawa Timur Indonesia. Kami selami ngadicoro gelising akondo Katur Wonten Ngarasa Panjenengan Sami Biduan Ageng Saputro. Masyarakat Ganden Audio Professional Production Onel Entertainment. Manda Panas ya. Wis ra panas iki.
Wis ra panas ya. Lagune kacamata gede ki lek malah kita. Ngono lho Mas. Aku ki ngatok asli. Tapi demi menghibur ki ya.
Ya. Demi menghibur apa demi ya ampun.
Demikian. Ini mungkin ada yang mau mereka lagu buat para penonton yang ada di sini. Halo Ibu, selamat siang. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mau sepi banget Kristen. Bisa nyanyi deh. Bisa enggak ya? Like Kristen. Ya wis, aku mulai. Kok ngono? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lah ya mana toh Bu? Kan aku ki seneng bagi umat Buddha.
Itu Amanda.
Ini mungkin ibunya yang ada di depan mau request lagu lagi Bu. Apa sayang? Oh nyawi'i Mas.
Apa?
Nyawi'i.
Oh ya. Nyawi'i.
Aku tanya kene cek mampu prapen.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Aduh, aku di tengah dewe kayak isin sih.
Oke, juga saya ucapkan selamat datang dari bagi para pengunjung yang baru datang, pengunjung wisata Purworejo, Ngantang, Malang. Selamat menikmati liburan panjang. Liburan kok gak dah?
Hah?
Liburan kok gak?
Aku bentino liburan mas. Nanti belenger. Bisa. Sampai ngurangi piknik ya mas.
Ya.
Sampai kuru awaknya.
Ya ampun.
Ya.
Biar gak sakmono rasaku.
Iya, sapira.
Ya pancet sih ya.
Allah ya pancet, aku tidak tahu berubah.
Ya.
Ini penontonnya kayaknya tambah akeh lah bapak. Mungkin ditawarin lagu lagi buat ibu-ibu yang ada di depan atau bapak-bapaknya yang mau nyawer juga diperbolehkan sekali.
Tambah satu lagu lagi.
Bisa. Apa ini bu lagunya?
Lagu ketek.
Ono nih lagu ketek. Kowe yang naik ketek. Bah. Ya aku kalau bis ibu Ebi. Ora apa-apa do ketek ya le ya. Ini apa lagi lagunya? Apa ibu? LDR. Ayo tak sampean kancan aku. Aku lo izin dhewe. Asli nih. Tapi aku biasa isi-isi tadi. Aduh, apa sih Mas Ganden ini apa ya? Tadi aku gak izin. Mungkin dikasih satu buat teman lagu.
Apa request sih?
Apa mau lamunan?
Lakukan Poner Entertainment.
Cih, anak ketek. Ya Allah. Aku sok gulung deh